Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a compact yet powerful kitchen appliance that's perfect for anyone looking to save space without sacrificing functionality, the Breville BOV450XL Mini Smart Countertop Oven. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, what exactly is the Breville Mini Smart Countertop Oven? This versatile appliance offers a range of cooking functions packed into a small footprint. Designed to fit neatly on your countertop, it's perfect for those who might have limited kitchen space but still want the capabilities of a full-sized oven. Whether you're looking to bake cookies, toast bread, or even whip up a quick pizza, this mini oven has got you covered. One of the standout features of the Breville BOV450XL is its Element IQ system. This innovative technology utilizes 5 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms to direct power precisely where it's needed. This means you get a tailored cooking environment that leads to perfectly cooked meals every time. With an impressive 1800-watt preheat capability, you'll have your dishes ready to serve in no time. Speaking of versatility, this mini oven boasts 8 cooking functions: toast, bagel, bake, broil, pizza, roast, cookies, and reheat. This array of options allows you to experiment with different cuisines and cooking styles, making it an excellent choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. Whether you're toasting bagels for breakfast or roasting veggies for dinner, this oven can handle it all. Now, let's talk about the size. With an interior capacity of 11 by 10 by 4 inches, this mini oven can comfortably fit 4 slices of toast, bagels, cookies, a 6-cup muffin tray, or even an 11-inch pizza. It also features 3 rack positions, which allow you to customize your cooking space based on what you're making. The pull-out crumb tray makes cleanup a breeze, and the auto shutoff function adds an extra layer of safety. The Breville BOV450XL is particularly suitable for small kitchens, college dorms, or anyone who wants a versatile cooking tool without taking up too much counter space. It's also great for those who enjoy cooking but don't want to heat up a full-sized oven for smaller meals. If you often find yourself making quick snacks or easy dinners, this countertop oven could become your new best friend. Now let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day and wanting to whip up a quick meal without much fuss. You can easily toss a frozen pizza into the oven for a quick dinner or bake a batch of cookies for dessert. The reheating function is perfect for leftovers, ensuring that your meals taste fresh without the hassle of using a microwave. Plus, if you're hosting a small gathering, you can use this oven to prepare appetizers while your main dishes are cooking elsewhere. Another great aspect of this mini oven is its user-friendly LCD display, which provides easy access to all of its smart functions. You can quickly switch between cooking modes and adjust settings with just a few taps, making it straightforward to use even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The non-stick cavity coating also means that cleaning up after cooking is quick and hassle-free. In conclusion, the Breville BOV450XL Mini Smart Countertop Oven is an impressive appliance that combines efficiency and versatility in a compact design. Whether you're an avid cook or someone who just needs a reliable tool for quick meals, this oven is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.